Okay, I hope you completely and successfully finish your exercise. And now I'll just do it from my side. Okay, the first thing that I need to do is to change the Gantt chart to tracking Gantt. Now you can see our Gantt chart is more clear, and it shows from the beginning until the end, and it shows the percentage which I finish of the activity is all 0. And the first thing I will do is to set the baseline. So I go to project, go to baseline, set baseline, shows me the set baseline, so I choose baseline for the entire project. I press OK. Now it shows the baseline in the bottom of the activity, as you can see, from the beginning until the end, which is this one, the black one. Okay, if we come here in line 4 and I want to change, the duration from 5 days to 6 days. For example, I get delay in the project or in this activity. So I press OK. Now you can see that my activity was shifted by 1 day from the baseline, and it shifts by 1 day and by 1 day here and all the way down until the end. You can see I was shifted by 1 day. So any changes to any activities, it can affect the sequence of the other activities, or the duration actually of the other activities. And now let's set a second baseline. So I go to project, baseline, set baseline. I choose another baseline. This is my previous one. I choose baseline 1. I hit OK, and now I have my second baseline. And to display that baseline, which is the second baseline, I go to format, I go to baseline, set baseline, I choose baseline 1, and it will show me what is in baseline 1. Baseline 1 has already been used. Are you sure you want to override the data in this? Yes, okay, no problem. Okay, so this is the baseline 1. If I want to tick it, baseline, go to project, baseline, we already done this one. If we go to 14, line 14, it still show that the baseline which we have shifted. So we go to format, go to baseline, and we choose baseline 1, and it shows us our original baseline. So if I go to 14, I want to change this 14 to 7 days instead of 6 days. Now you can see that I am starting in time but finishing 1 day late, and it also affects all the activities until the end. And you can see my milestone was also shifted by 1 day. This way I can, as a project manager, quickly understand if any of the tasks has been changed from the baseline or original baseline.